Still a little bit of rain in Louisiana this morning. There were some strong storms over the weekend that made the cleanup efforts virtually impossible, much less successful. But these storms will continue for a while longer this morning. Over the past couple of days, we have taken you over the Mississippi River Delta. We've taken you around it by boat. And this morning, we're going to take you right into those sensitive wetland areas that are being threatened by this ever-growing spill. As the massive oil slick continues to threaten the widening swath of the Gulf Coast, the president came to Venice, Louisiana to survey the damage. There is growing criticism here of the federal government's response.
We're massive and potentially unprecedented environmental disaster.
The slick threatens 4 Gulf states and hundreds of miles of sensitive coastline like these wildlife refuges in Louisiana. We spent the day with the National Wildlife Federation on an exclusive tour of an area where the oil appears to already have swept through.
This was just a light sheen of oil that come in here, and you can see the damage it's done to these plants. And this is just the beginning of the damage that we're going to see over the next few days.
This is the southernmost point of the delta. It's called Pass Lutra, and it was here that first sheen of oil washed through.
This is where big nature is now confronting big oil. We should all be very concerned.
All along the Gulf Coast, there are reports of injured wildlife, from this oil-covered bird in Louisiana to 20 dead sea turtles in Mississippi. And it appears the scope of the disaster may be growing exponentially. This animation shows how the slick has tripled in size in just a few days. But nearly 2 weeks since the oil rig exploded, BP has still not come up with any way to stop the flow quickly. The company is trying to drill a relief well parallel to the leaking one, but that may take 3 months. 2 rigs would first need to drill 18,000 feet into the ocean floor, then drill a half-mile diagonally to meet the damaged well, piping in heavy fluid and cement to plug the leaks. Even their fastest fix could take another 8 to 10 days. Here, 3 rectangular steel boxes weighing 74 tons would be placed over the leaking pipe. Then other pipes would bring the oil to a ship on the surface. But the lack of an immediate solution has angered many.
I mean, I don't know what else to do, but I can't sit back and watch it unfold. It's my land. It's my people. It's what I know.
There have been an increasing number of volunteers, people from all over who have just shown up wondering what to do and how they can help. The big topic, of course, has been protecting the wetlands, but another big topic is that multi-billion-dollar fishing industry, and there was some word that may have been halted a little bit overnight through the next couple of days. Our Jeffrey Kaufman is at the mouth of the Mississippi with more on that. Good morning, Jeffrey.
And good morning to you, Sam. That's right. We're on one of the main shipping channels of the Mississippi. And normally at this time of year, this would be a very busy place with shrimpers coming in after an overnight of catching shrimp and heading back to port, and others heading out for the day. It is awful lonely here right now because, as you noted, yesterday the federal government imposed a 10-day moratorium on all fishing, commercial and recreational, from here in the Mississippi Delta east to the Florida Panhandle, Pensacola area, while they monitor that slick and they monitor contaminants in the water. It's devastating news for shrimpers. This is the time of year they make most of their income, and you're going to start feeling it in the supermarket as certain species of fish and shrimp start to disappear and prices of others go up.